Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today to see what I am up to. I have a box from Facetory that I had to email them about because I didn't know what it was. And I don't know, I don't think this shows you anything. And then I have my normal Facetory 7 Lux subscription. But I did send them an email when I got this and I didn't want to open it in case maybe this was here. And I'd like to slit everything up right before I start. And this is my affiliate gift. How sweet of them. So let's open the tape. A little bit about the Facetory normal subscription. It is a Korean sheet mask subscription. 7 Lux is the subscription that I get. Let's get this. Okay. And it is $19 a month. You receive 7 masks, which is perfect. I loved when they were doing the Forever Fresh to get 4, but I don't mind getting 7. I share more with my sister. I just add a little bit more into my giveaways. They have a Lux Plus box, and that's skincare, and that's a seasonal box. $49.95, 10 to 12 items, skincare, hair care, and usually a very high value, like close to the $200 mark. So I'll just put that there. And this is what I see when I open this box. What is this? Ooh. Sweet. Let me tell you, I had my back injections. This is going to film a week later, or come out a week later, but this past Monday I had my back injections. It has kicked my butt for the first time in years and years. I was in bed Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, did not feel good. I mean, sometimes with the steroids, I don't feel good, but it's usually later that night, and by the next day I feel fine. I didn't feel good that night. I didn't feel good Tuesday. I didn't feel good Wednesday. Today is Thursday that I'm filming, and my energy is low. And I know it takes about a week for all that to kick in, where your back starts to feel better. And I noticed a lot more pain that I even had before my injection. So I was like, oh my gosh. First time ever that I was down like that. And to the point where I didn't want to get dressed. I didn't care what my hair looked like. And I generally, even if I'm in the house, try to make it look decent. It was sticking up. It was curling. It was flipping the wrong. For me not to care, that's a lot. But hopefully I want to get some things caught up today. Then I can maybe take it easy Friday and the weekend and then just pick back up, next week, and I'll feel fine. But I go to my ortho next week. Just curious, if that is normal. But it's the first time ever for me. But I digress. Thank you for sticking through that. I have a little bag here from Facetory. Let's open this up. This is cute. I think they have sent me things before. I honestly don't remember. But I couldn't tell you what I did a week ago, let alone if they've sent things to me in the past. I think they have, honestly, but like I said, I just don't recall today. I might think about it and be able to tell you that at a different time. So this is the bag, like a little holography bag. Holographic? Holography is not a word. I don't know where I got that from. Oh, it does have some stuffing in it, so we'll take that out because I don't need all that. So it's a good size bag. Could store my sheet masks in there. Could use that to put skincare to take away. That is adorable. I love it. That might reflect. We'll put that back there. Tape on me. So that was cute. The next thing I have is obviously from Facetory, the bunny headband. And it has Facetory in it. I won't open it, but that's what it looks like. You can see that in the picture. That's cute. I like that too. And then they sent me 3 masks, and this is their brand, their everyday mask. So this is the pearl mask. This is a brightening mask. A charcoal mask, and this is a detoxifying mask. I'll share this. I'll probably give this to my sister. I can't use that. And then the olive squalene, so nice. A skin balancing, anything like olive oil, a squalene, all that is really good for you. So that was my little affiliate gift. Thank you, Facetory. That was so kind of you. I greatly appreciate little things like that. I know it's not little, but I appreciate that. This is my 7 Lux. So let's open this. Can I open this by pulling this up? I know I don't have the strength in my hands, but this one was easy to open these. I have to slit my Ipsy bags. A lot of times I can't even open them. I have to, best thing I ever bought for myself. I have one downstairs, but not up in where my filming room is. And best thing I ever bought, so I don't have to worry. So, this is what the bag looks like when you open it up. Let's get that out of the way. So this is what I see, a whole bunch of masks, and then the card. Anything is possible. 7 Lux. And then it gives you, you know, a little descriptive on the mask, pricing, and skincare bonuses. The first one is Glowy-ist Youthful Glow Mangosteen Mask. Value of $6. So there's 2 of them here. So one is the Youth Glow and one is the Peachy Glow. So Youth Glow, Peachy Glow, they're each valued at $6. So this one right here, like this pinkish mauve color one, the key ingredient is mangosteen peel extract, an ingredient rich in powerful antioxidants to help calm inflammation and protect skin from free radicals. And then this like bluey teal one, the key ingredient is peach fruit extract, and this ingredient contains antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals to soothe irritated skin, fight visible signs of aging, and encourage cell repair. I'll take it. Give me 10 of them. $6 each. That's expensive, but that's why I love this subscription. I'm telling you, there was a Ashley, I think McCool, commented, I don't think I've seen a duplicate. And she said that a few times. I don't think I've seen a duplicate. And I started paying attention, and I actually went back and looked at my playlist and just like breezed through. I have not received a duplicate in my masks. That is awesome. I've been getting this since the start of the channel. So, that's how many different kinds of masks are out there. These are all Korean. The Facetory ones, I do believe they're from here, but they could come from there too. Let me just verify that. Yeah, they're Korean also, so they must make them strictly for them and package them. This one here is Meditime. Jeju. Oh, you want me to say this? Puk. Turmeric mask. I know I just massacred that. I am so sorry. $3 value. Key ingredient, Jeju turmeric root extract. This ingredient contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components to revive the skin and bring back its natural glow. Like that. I'm telling you, I mean, some of these brands, yes, but not the masks. This is from JM Solution. Active Bird's Nest Moisture Mask Prime. $2 value. Key ingredient, bird's nest extract, a prized ingredient in traditional medicine. This helps improve skin clarity and elasticity by boosting moisture retention. What do they mean by bird's nest? Like snail net, like some of them, I can't. I give them away because I am very... Things, if I overthink, I'll gag and I will puke. So, and of course there's no English. Yes, there is. Let me see if that's just a... Oh, I don't think I could... I honestly don't think I could use this one. But if I put it on my face, I would puke. Honestly, that's how I am. I mean, sometimes I get a texture thing for taste, and no, I'll make myself sick. It's bad. This is from Petite. Did I say that right? Petite Fee? How do you say that? Well, okay, so it's Dr. Jart. Am I on the wrong one? Yes, I have the wrong mask. Let me get Dr. Jart. Where's... Nope, this is the one I want. Usually they're in order. Right here, it's Petite Fee? Petite Fee? I have no idea. Agave Cooling Hydrogel Face Mask. $2 value. Here is agave extract, an anti-inflammatory ingredient that soothes, hydrates, and calms the skin. And blueberry extract, an antioxidant that protects the skin from free radicals and helps brighten the skin. Blueberries are it's high antioxidant food. Blueberries are very good for you. Don't eat too many of them. Your GI system cannot handle too many of them. Let me go back to this one, the Dr. Jart one, right here. This is Dermask Ultra Jet pore acting solution mask. What does all this mean? I have no idea. Here, key ingredient, soap berry tree extract. Some of this stuff I have never heard of, and I can't pronounce some of it. I give it my best shot, though. A cleaning agent that softens the skin and prevents dryness. $9 value for this one. Activated charcoal, a clarifying ingredient that purifies and unclogs pores. Not sure if I can use that one. I have to be careful with charcoal. I will peel like a snake. It's horrible. So then this last one, I love the pack. This one feels like it's more like a gel mask. I don't know. This feels nice. This is from MedB. MedB. Is it? Yeah. Med1B. MedB. MedB is the name. 1 Day Honey Mask Pack. The key ingredient is honey extract. This ingredient contains anti-inflammatory properties to help soothe acne and brighten skin. $2 value. Honey is very good for you. I have Manuka honey that I got from, I think it was that L'Oreal? I think it was an influencer box, and I use it like under my eyes. Like sometimes my chin gets very dry, and it is nice. It's like a roller ball type thing. I love it. And then the last item, and this is a little bonus right here, and this is from Facetory, Spot Fighter AM Patch. Key ingredient, tea tree. Great for your skin, an anti-inflammatory ingredient to help minimize redness and irritation, and Sika extract, a gentle yet powerful ingredient that helps calm the skin and promote healing. What are you doing, Oreo? So this is nice. So what do you get in here? It's 72 patches. You get 60 that are 10 millimeter and 12 that are 12 millimeter. You can see that they're actual size. Maybe you can see that better on the back. 72 patches. That's a lot. And it's a resealable, which is phenomenal. So that is my 7 Lux from Facetory. Like I said, I mean, anything is possible is the theme. I've been getting this for over 3 years. Love, love, love this subscription. Well worth the money. If this is all you can get, and you don't have to get this subscription if you can't afford it, find yourself some good masks. Try to stay away from some of them Dollar Tree masks. They're not, the ingredients are not great. So you think you're doing good, but you're not. Like, I would never. There's one brand in particular, and I won't say it. It's the opposite of no is the beginning of it. And I've heard horror stories of people getting facial burns and damage to their skin. So be extremely careful if you're going to the Dollar Tree or dollar store for face masks. Invest and try to get some good, some better masks for your face. But this, if all you can do is a face mask as skincare because that's what you can afford, it's better than nothing. In my opinion, get a mask for yourself, like a couple dollar mask. And you can order from Facetory without getting the subscription. And you can still use my links and codes and all that stuff. And just order a mask or two, if that's all you can afford, and use a good mask. Or try to find, Tony Moly is a great skincare company, Facetory, obviously, and just, get something decent. It doesn't have to be high-end. I have high-end masks, and they're phenomenal, but they're pricey. I swear by this one. I share a lot of these masks. I can't possibly use all these because I have a drawer full. I get boxes of them sometimes. I can't possibly. So thank you, Facetory, for my affiliate gift. I love it. I greatly appreciate it. You have no idea what that means to me. I hope everyone has a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.